says, using factorisation, simplify the algebraic fraction as much as possible. So you've got 6p squared q squared minus 9p squared q over 8pq squared r minus 12pqr. Right, so just write that out first. It does say use factorising, so what you need to do is factorise the numerator and the denominator, and then perhaps you can cancel. At this stage, we cannot cancel. So writing out the whole expressions, we've got 6p squared q squared, 9p squared q, 8pq squared r, minus 12pqr. Right, looking at the top here, 6 is 2 times 3, p squared is times p, and q squared is times q, minus, for 9 we're going to have minus 3 times 3, p squared we're going to have p times q. Right, pairing up common factors. There's nothing with the 2, but there's a pair of 3's which can be paired up. There's a pair of p's that can be paired up. Another pair of p's which can be paired up. And then there's also a pair of q's which can be paired up. So the common factor here is 3p squared q brackets. What we've got left here, 2q minus 3. Let's just repeat that. 2q from here, and then a minus 3, not uncircled. Right, for the denominator, do exactly the same thing. 8 is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times p times q for q squared times r. Then this one will become 12 will become minus 2 times 2 times 3 times p times q times r. Right, pairing up. So there's a 2 which can be paired up. There's another 2 that can be paired up. That 2 and the 3 can't be paired up, but there's a p that can be paired up. There is a q that can be paired up. And that q can't be paired up with anything, but there is a pair of r's as well. So the common factor is going to be 4 pqr. 4 pqr, open up the bracket. What we've got left here, 2 times q and a 3 here. Right, notice here we now have 2q minus 3 and 2q minus 3. So we can now cancel those, and we're left with 3p squared q over 4pqr. Right, obviously these can cancel as well. So that 2 can go and that p can go. So we've just got 3p on the bottom, and the q's can disappear out as well. They can be cancelled. So on the top we got 3p, and on the bottom we got 4r. Okay, so it doesn't matter what the value of q is in this. It doesn't matter. We're still going to get 3p over 4r. The q has actually no effect in this. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use factorisation to factorise both the numerator and the denominator, and then once you've done that, to cancel the algebraic fraction and simplify it. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.